Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making turkey and lamb burgers with dill sauce. It has Mediterranean flavors and is so much different from the classic burger. Let me show you guys how to make it. So the first step in making these burgers is making my homemade dill dip. This is what we're going to use as a spread instead of traditional condiments. And the dill is going to go so well with the lamb. It's so delicious, you guys. So this is super quick and easy to make up, plus it's perfect for dipping chips and veggies too. So we have a little bit of mayo in our bowl, and now we're gonna add our sour cream. Next, we're gonna add in the zest and juice of half a lemon. Then 1 teaspoon of dried dill, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, and half a teaspoon of onion powder. Now we're just gonna mix this up until everything's combined. Then we're just gonna add in a little bit of salt and pepper. Stir it up one last time and then it's ready. Oh my gosh, this smells so delicious. So we're using a mix of ground lamb and ground turkey today, but first we're gonna mix up our spices for the meat. So first we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then half a teaspoon of dried parsley. Next we're gonna add in half a pound of ground lamb and half a pound of ground turkey. Now we're gonna mix together using our hands to combine the meat and spices completely. Using a mixture of both ground turkey and ground lamb is going to give us a super flavorful burger without being too rich. Then we're gonna form them into patties. You guys can just eyeball this or you can weigh them. They're gonna be a 1/4 pound each. So you're gonna preheat your pan to medium and then we're gonna add in our burgers. I like to cook the burgers for about 4 minutes per side, but your stovetop may be a little bit different. If you guys wanna add cheese, go ahead and add cheese on top when you flip the burgers. I recommend using a mozzarella for this burger as it goes really well with the flavors. So while the burgers are cooking, I like to get the toppings together. So of course we have our dill dip that we made earlier. And you guys are gonna need some tomato, cucumber, lettuce, and of course some hamburger buns. I'm using my soft white hamburger buns. You guys, these are so delicious. If you can make your own, they're totally worth it. I'm gonna link the recipe in the description. To assemble the burgers, I like to lightly toast the buns. Then add the dill sauce. Add the lettuce, burger, cucumber, and tomato. Then they're ready to enjoy. And now we have the most delicious Mediterranean-inspired burger. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more healthy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making, what are we making? This light but super flavorful. This light but super flavorful. Can I say flavorful? Flavorful.